What's up, guys? We're just gonna do a quick macro view of Bitcoin. All right. Now, this here is the banker's candle strategy. Now, this is for Forex, so just pay attention to the candles and how they move. All right. So, the step one is the accumulation. Okay. So, that's where we trade sideways, and then boom, we have a nice long wick. And what that usually means is there's an ABC and potentially D correction happening. And we could very well see lower numbers on Bitcoin. That's absolutely possible. This Bitcoin markup is just a general markup for different patterns. I love using this as a reference. It can tell you what is head and shoulders, cup and handle, what a symmetrical triangle means, what the ranges are, what that means. It gives you the whale stop hunting candle, which would be a long wick on the top. And that's where whales start to begin to manipulate the price, much like they do on engulfing candles or long bankers candles like this one. But currently, let's see what we have. Okay. So some of these are actually, most all of them are old markup lines. And now you see I have this level here marked up. And as you can see, this was a banker's candle. Which is basically a whales creating a fake liquidity pool right here and manipulating the price. Boom, it popped back up. They sold up here, and they start accumulating down here again. And now, right now, we just broke through a triple bottom. That triple bottom with this wick being here. So it is having the potential to drop lower, and it probably will drop slightly lower, but I don't see it going much farther lower than 31.5, right around this level here. And it's going to be very interesting to see because the IV is very low. Well, considering it's Bitcoin. The MACD is horrible right now. Yet we have, some decent news. Right now, this is all kind of central bank FUD. Um, Central banks need regulation in order to maneuver and buy these assets, despite there being 401k plans and ETFs by ProShares proposed. Central banks still need clear cut regulation. No ifs, ands, or buts. This is how it works. The only way central banks can operate within the cryptocurrency space or metaverse space right now is by funding gaming studios and things alike. So therefore, we're seeing a lot of this downtrend because of this regulation, and we think it's a bad thing, but no, it's not. It's going to get a lot more money involved in here because central banks have all the money, right? It's simple. So we could see a slight retracement more, but I don't see it going farther than that. I see us going back up, but the market, as of for now, will be trading sideways for quite a little bit. I'm Crypto Smooths with DGen DeFi Capital. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, I'll attach these materials and have them so you guys can use them.